Today we will understand the numerical aspect of the chapter cost of production. Here generally you get the question complete the table, and in complete the table the data which is given to you is output 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and first TFC is given to you 60 and TVC is given to you 0, 60, 100, 150, 260 and 390. What you have to find out is you have to fill all the column of TFC, TC, that is total cost, average fixed cost, AFC, AVC, average variable cost and marginal cost. Now let us understand one column at a time. Now output and 160 is given to you. So what you have to do is, see, total fixed cost is generally fixed throughout. So 60 you will copy as it is in whether the production is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everywhere total fixed cost will be same as the first one, because see why this cost is fixed? Because if you are paying rent, even if the production is 0, then also you will have to pay the rent from day one even if the production is 0. And rent will remain same throughout if the production increases to 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit, 5 unit. So the first column will be filled with 60 as it is. Clear? Now let total variable cost is given to all of you. Now see the third column, that is fourth column, total cost. Now what is total cost? Total cost is nothing but total fixed cost plus total variable cost. So first one with 0 output, TFC plus TVC, that is 60 plus 0 will be 60, 60 plus 60 will be 120, 60 plus 100 is 160, 60 plus 150 is 210, 60 plus 260 is 320, 60 plus 60 plus 390 is 450. So your total cost will also be filled. Okay, now comes average fixed cost. Average fixed cost is total fixed cost upon output. Now first one is TFC is 60 divided by 0 is nothing. Then 60 divided by 1 is 60. 60 divided by 2 is 30. 60 divided by 3 is 20. 60 divided by 4 is 15. 60 divided by 5 is 12. So you get AFC also, average fixed cost. Now comes average variable cost. Now average variable cost is how much? That is TVC, total variable cost divided by output. Now total variable cost 0 divided by 0 is nothing. Then you have 60 divided by 1 is 60, 50 divided by 2 is 100 divided by 2 is 50, 150 divided by 3 is also 50, 260 divided by 4 is 65 and 450 divided by 5 is 78. So average variable cost. Now what is marginal cost? Marginal cost is, first one is nothing because it is starting with 0 output. So there is nothing above it. So dash. Second marginal cost will be 120 minus 60 is 60. 160 minus 120 is 40, 210 divided by 160 is 50, 320 divided by 210 is 110 and 450 divided by 320 is 130. So this is how you calculate marginal cost. And what is the formula for marginal cost? It is the increase in total cost with every unit of output. I hope this complete the table is clear to all of you. Thank you.